In today's lecture session, we are going to see a component part of aircraft. This is the topic of air transportation engineering. Here you can see the 7 main components of the aeroplane showing the picture. The first one is the engine. Next one is propeller, provided in piston engine. Propeller will be only if your engine will be piston engine. Then there is a fuselage. This fuselage is contain the cockpit. In cockpit you can see where the pilot is situated and the main body part, and next one is the passenger space. Then fourth one is the wings, which is useful for the plane taking off. The next one is 3 controls, flaps and tricycle under carries. Now in next we will be showing the function of this component, that which component is used for which. Here you can see every component is described in the aeroplane portion. What is called what? The first one is you can see here as the cockpit. In cockpit where the pilot and the staff or the main is situated. The next one is the fuselage. Fuselage is the main body of the airplane in which passenger are seated down. The next is jet engine. Here you can see a 2 jet engine on each side of the wings. If there will be a 4 jet engine type of plane, you can see 2 jet engine on each side of wings. Then there is horizontal stabilizer and vertical stabilizer. You can also see flaps and aileron and spoiler. The flaps, aileron and spoilers are the part component of the wings. As you can see, it is on the wings. And on the horizontal stabilizer and vertical stabilizer you can see rudder and elevator. Now what is rudder is used for, what is elevator is used for, what are the wings, flaps, aileron and spoiler is used for, what they will be used for is shown in the next slide. As here in next slide it is mentioned here that the aileron is used for the rolling of the plane. As you can see, rolling means you can see the roll axis. The blue line in this portion, there is 3. The first one is the pitch, the next one is the yaw, and the third one is roll. The pitching is controlled by elevator is here in the wings portion, right? And the rolling is controlled by the aileron, and yawing is controlled by rudder is in the last end section. As you can see here, it's the rudder. Okay, now there is 3 controls: x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. X-axis is lateral, which is also known as the rolling movement. Y-axis is pitching. If the plane will be in y-axis, up and down movement, and then that one is z-axis for the turning of the yawing. Now to control this movement, the airplane with 3 principal control. First one is the elevator, as we have discussed earlier in the slide, which is controlled by pitching, up and down movement. And rudder, as you can see earlier, is yawing. See here, the rudder is control yawing and the aileron is control rolling. Now these 3 control are mentioned here with details that what is elevator is doing. Elevator is controlling pitching in up down movement. Rudder is controlling yawing is consist of a flip that is provided at tail end of the fuselage, can move 30 degree. You know about the fuselage is the main body of the where passenger is situated. And next one is the aileron, which is produce rolling motion to comes to going in motion the direction of the, but the path is set for the aeroplane. Enables the pilot to restore its level and to flight when it is tilted or gust of the wind. If sometime the plane, because of the gust of the wind, the flight path may be situated slightly, then it will be help to pilot. Aileron is help pilot to put your aeroplane in the possible previous flight path. Now in the next, here 3 controls. The last portion, the seventh part, is track cycle under carriage. Now track cycle under carriage, as you can see here in pictures, it's showing the wheels, the backward portion rear wheels and the front wheels. As you can see in this picture, rear wheels is 3 on 3. So in one there is a 6 wheels, so there will be 2 on each wings. So 12 wheels on rear and then front wheels is 2. So total 14 wheels of your front picture is showing here. Now tricycle undercarriage is two principal function. Main function of the tricycle undercarriage. Undercarriage means below portion of the plane, nearer to the wheel. Now what the main function of this portion is to absorb landing shocks. When the plane land, it will be absorb the landing shocks and to enable the aircraft to maneuver on ground. In ground, if you have to turn from the runway to the taxiway, if you want to go to runway to taxiway or taxiway to the runway, then this tricycle undercarriage, these wheels will be useful. And major load, like 90% of load is carried by the main gear wheel. And main gear wheel is, as you can see here, is let me just show you. Here you can see the main gear wheel. Okay, and nose gear is this one. So this is the main component part of the aeroplane and its function. Okay, thank you.